Everyone, in today's video I did just want to follow up regarding the inoperable horn that had occurred in the 2021 Hyundai Elantra just shortly before the new year. On this new vehicle, the horn had become inoperable. I would push the button and I would not hear that. So, of course, this became a safety hazard. And I know, like, even in order to inspect your vehicle, you need an operable horn in order to pass inspection. So, I went ahead and I set up an appointment with the Hyundai dealer to ensure that this horn issue on my new car was taken care of. So, of course, I wasn't able to have the vehicle to drive, so I requested a loaner vehicle, which they had provided me with, due to the fact that it is a new car and there's no reason why my new car's horn should not be working. And they had said that there was a horn on back order, and once it arrives, they would go ahead and obviously fix it and then return my vehicle to me. So upon taking the vehicle to the dealer, the technician did confirm indeed that the horn is inoperative, and also they checked the power and ground to both horn circuits, and the power and ground at both circuits was found resistance higher than manufacturer specification. They replaced both horns, meaning there's not just one horn, but there is two. There's like a high frequency and a low frequency horn apparently, and both horns were returned as functioning as expected. And regarding the horns that they ended up replacing was both sides. It says horn assembly, and it says horn assembly low pitch and horn assembly high pitch. So the horns that were inoperative could have been possibly from like manufacturer specifications at the time of manufacture being set incorrectly by whomever had assembled the steering wheel and the vehicle in itself. But I know a lot of you who did go ahead and watch my YouTube video indicating that my horn wasn't working had said, my horn is inoperable as well. My suggestion is to contact the Hyundai dealer and explain to them your situation if that is the case. I know some of you had said, then my horns are working. There might still be something wrong with the resistance of the power and the ground being higher than the manufacturer specification that your vehicle is supposed to be set at. So in my case, they did end up replacing both horns, the low pitch and the high pitch. Now my horn works as I had gone ahead and pushed it, and I'll push it again. I don't see how there's a high and a low, but they had replaced both horns. They're properly functioning now, and I will continue to go ahead and check my horns on a daily basis to make sure that they are operable, that they are operating as I should have them expected to operate. But again, if you are facing the situation where your horns aren't working on your new car, certainly contact the dealer. Request a sooner than later appointment because it is a safety hazard. You can get in a dangerous situation like I was quite a few times, and you need that horn and you don't have it and you have nowhere to turn to. So it's definitely a big safety hazard that has to be addressed. Make sure that it is something that is taken care of and covered under your manufacturer warranty as well. I didn't end up paying anything out of pocket. I wouldn't expect anyone else to. And if they say, we have to order it, well, they need to provide you with a complimentary rental car for that time that they are going to have your vehicle, because you shouldn't be driving around your brand new vehicle with an horn that is inoperable. Please make sure you like and subscribe for more great videos like this one. I hope I updated you all as promised. I know it took a lot longer than expected to get my issue addressed, so I don't know how long your issue will take to be of concern concerning your dealership, but I do wish you all the best. Thanks again, and I hope you all have a great, wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and have a nice, fantastic day. Stay safe, and good luck on your adventures. Thanks. Bye.